Finally, getting some harvest. So this season is nothing like last season, but we'll take what we can get. Look at these giant red slicers. Yum. And behind me, I have a Sweet 100 that I've been really loving. Let me turn the camera around. This Sweet 100 has been really good also. Yummy taste. And it's been quite prolific. Got quite a few down here. These are good. Hello! Sure love me some tomatoes. So this season has not been the best, but I still got quite a few. Hallelujah, it's starting to rain. I'm so excited. But I also need to pick a whole bunch of tomatoes so that they don't all split. Get those inside. It's perfect right now, it's just sprinkling. Usually in Utah, we don't get a lot of moisture, so when it does rain, it sprinkles and then it goes away and dries up again. We'll see how much we get. Look at the gray clouds over there. We may get some rain. Let me show you what tomatoes I have right here. This tomato has been really fun. This one is the white cherry, right by our driveway. So it's nice to just climb out of our cars and get a yummy snack. Another one that's been really fun. Let me get in here. I got some San Maranzos ready right there. But this blush, so pretty. There's a whole bunch more down here too. Get in there. Whoop. They are so pretty and they are so delicious. And they're a lot bigger than they were last year. So I'm gonna grow these again. These will be a staple in my yard. Beautiful, yummy. Can you see the rain? The last of the tomatoes.
My eyes are hurting because of the sun. That's why I'm just putting my tomatoes in my eyes.
Ethan, what did we find?
We found a big giant tomato right here.
The tag's right there, so it'll tell us what it is. Twist it.
Oh, that's gonna snap part of it off.
Just twist it. It'll be fine. That's a big guy. There you go.
Oh, look at that. It's ruining it.
Okay, here, let me see if I can find my clippers. Nope, I left them over there.
Oh, well, I could just twist it right off.
That's fine. Oh my goodness.
There we
Oh, put it up to your face.
That's one size of a melon.
Yay, we got a good one again. And we have several in here.
And it is a
1, 2, 3.
red beef steak
That one just
heirloom
says
tomato.
Red beef steak. Okay, a couple more coming.
Oh, that one. That one's gonna be big.
You think it'll be bigger than the one we just did?
No, no way.
We just got the rest of our tomatoes.
Holy cow, this is heavy.
And here comes the weather.
Rain.
Rain, snow soon.
But I love snow. Snow is coming tonight. Snow is coming
So
tonight.
somebody's
And
happy.
then I'm gonna play in it tomorrow.
It might not be a big amount, but soon, right? So we're gonna take a lot of that in. We got a few of those left, and she's still dancing in the rain. Don't get sick, puppy pants. Say bye, have fun with it.
Hi.